I don't understand this world today. Why is success a bad thing? Why, if you're a millionaire, you're evil. If you're a billionaire, you're the Antichrist. Because of their pathetic jealousy. That's all it is. Jealousy. Seth, you're worried? You're worried that some people don't like you in the locker room? Hell, if you ain't making enemies, you ain't making money. If everybody doesn't hate you, then you are not living up to your full potential. The good life, Seth. You get one shot at life. One shot. One go around in this world. You take life and you grab it by the throat and you make it give you everything you want and screw everybody else.